Alright, here I want to show you how you can divide a given line into a given ratio. How you can divide a given line into a given ratio, or we say it in this way, that how you can divide a given line into a given proportion. Alright, now as you can see on this paper, here we have the ratio. Here we have 2:3:5. So let's take the length of the line that you want to divide into a given ratio to be 80 millimeters. So we want to divide a line 80 millimeters or 8 centimeters into ratio 2:3:5. So what you need to do first is to find the sum of the ratio by adding these values together. So here, as you can see on this paper, I have 2 plus 3 plus 5, which gives me 10. So the first thing that you are going to do is that you take your t-square, draw a line of any length, as you can see here. Then this line should be drawn within continuous line. Then take your ruler and take a measurement of 80 millimeters on this line. So this is 80 millimeters, so you make it thick. So this is 80 millimeters, so this is point A and this is point B on the line. So this is line AB. So we want to divide line AB 80 millimeters into 2:3:5. So the next thing is you take your set square, your 30-degree set square, so you set it in this way. So set it like this, so you can move it. Okay, then from point A here, draw a line in this direction. Okay, so call this line, call it line AC. So on this line AC, you take your compass, so you extend it to any convenient radius. Starting from here, you have to make 10 arcs on line AC. As we know, when we find the sum of the ratio of the proportion, we got 10. So you have to make 10 arcs on this line AC. So this is it. So here we have 1. This is 1. So you put it at the first arc. So this is 2. Next, we have 3. Next, this is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. And then, so the last one, we have 10. So this is 10. Alright, so we have to number this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so the next thing you are going to do is that you join the last point or the last division to the end of the line AB, which is point B. So you join it like this. So you join it like this. Okay, so the next thing that you are going to do is that you start from the last number, which is 5, or the last proportion, which is 5, as we have here. So you take this point as 0, you now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exactly at 5. So you set your set square along this line. As this line is bent, you set your set square along this line and you support it with the ruler. So now shift it to 0.5. So you draw a line like this. Okay, so with the ruler remain stationary, so next is you count 3. You count 3 now, so from here 1, 2, 3. So on 2, so you move it to 0.2 and you draw a line. So the last proportion is 2, so you can just count 1, 2. So this line as it is now, so which is line AB, 80 millimeters or 8 centimeters, has been divided into a given proportion or a given ratio, as you can see it here. So this is how we do divide a line into a given proportion or a given ratio. So it's as simple as I've done it here. You need to practice. For you to be able to master this, you need to practice it. So thank you for listening. God bless you.